In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option does, and how to pick the one that fits your needs. First, open your browser and head to notion.com. If you're not already signed in, click login and enter your details. Once you're in, go to the workspace you want to work on. Think of your workspace as your home base. Everything inside belongs to that personal or team space. From there, navigate to the specific page where you want to add images. This can be any page you're editing, whether it's a document, a project tracker, or a gallery. Now place your cursor where you want the image to appear and press the / on your keyboard. This opens Notion's command menu. A drop-down will appear with a list of blocks and options. Scroll through that list and look for the option labeled Image. This is the block that lets you bring an image into your page. After you select image, you'll see several ways to add your picture. The first option is to upload a file from your computer. Choose this if you already have the photo saved locally. Just pick your file and Notion will insert it right into the page. This is perfect for screenshots, design assets, or photos you've exported. For smoother performance, try to upload reasonably sized files so pages load quickly. The second option is to embed a link. Use this if your image is hosted online. Paste the direct URL to the image, ideally one that ends in JPG, .png, or .gif. Notion will fetch it and display it in line. If the link doesn't load, make sure it's publicly accessible and not behind a login or permission wall. You can also use pictures from Unsplash, which is built right into Notion. Click Unsplash, search for what you need, and choose from high-quality, free-to-use images. It's a great way to add visual polish without leaving your page. Still, it's a good habit to double-check the image fits your context and brand. Lastly, you can choose from Giphy for animated GIFs. This is ideal when you want a bit of motion or a light-hearted touch. Pick a GIF and it will drop into the page just like a normal image. That's all there is to it. Go to your page, open the command menu with the / select image, and use the upload link, Unsplash, or Giphy options to bring visuals into your workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.